and welcome back to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, I've clearly mentioned you that the price of natural gas is trading at a level of 3.08 as you can see, and this gap is still pending. Okay, that is very important that you have to understand here. Second thing is that we have seen that if the price started going below a level of 3.73, which is today's low, okay, we can see that the price can, if it started falling below this level, chances of going towards next low, that is 3.64, which is yesterday's low. It can touch to yesterday's low, and once started falling below this level, there is a higher chances that it will touch a level of 3.52. Okay, so gap can be filled. So once the gap can be filled, okay, we can see it can bounce back from that particular level, okay, from 3.52. But if the price didn't bounce back, then it is important to note that the price can move further low, and yes, after that the price will move towards 3.35. Okay, this is what we can see. After 3.52 we can see a level of $3.35, and from this particular level we can see a bounce back. But if the price didn't bounce back from that level, we can see a further fall again. Okay, now before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Look at this particular chart, a pattern can be formed. See, there is, if you look at the smaller pattern and then downfall, and if the price keep moving up this level, a further upside can be seen towards further high. Okay, so suppose if the price keep moving up this level, probability of going towards 3.86 will be there. This 3.86 is already tested, so there is a chances that if the price comes close to this level, we can see the price can move further upside, and yes, after that the price can move towards a level of 3.93. okay, so after 3.86 the price is below that level. Okay, so the price touches the level of 3.686, it can cross this particular level because this level is already tested, so we can see the price can touch 3.93, and once the price touches the level of 3.93, it will go towards $4. Okay, and once the price touching a level of $4, there is a higher chances that if the price sustaining above this level, probability of going towards 4.2 can be seen. 4.2 can be seen. Okay, so best what you can do, you can trail your SL if the price sustain above $4. So trail your SL by 0.02 or 0.15. This is what best we can do, because see, today we have not seen a good volatility, okay, compared to what we have seen in the last 3-4 days. Okay, so if you trail your SL by 0.15, if the volatility is like today what we have seen, so at least we'll capture a higher movement if the price started going upside. So once started going above 3.86, chance of touching towards $4 can be seen, and from there a level of 4.2, and if that sustain, we can see the price can move towards a level of 4.5 to a level of further upside. Okay, because after $4.2 there is a higher chances that the price can move towards a level of $4.5. okay, and then a further upside can be seen. So you can check my weekly video if the price sustain above 4.5. but as I've already explained you, market is uncertain, and if the price sustain above 4.5, there is a higher chances it can move towards 4.6, and from there a level of 4.9 can be seen. If the price started coming down, it can come towards a level of 3.76, and I have already explained you that if the price started going below 3.7, chance of going towards a level of 3.5 can be seen if the price started falling below 3.73, because see, there is a gap still pending. So once the price sustain above below a level of 3.73, of touching 3.64 to a level of 3.5 can be seen. Okay, and if that didn't bounce back from this level, we can see it can move towards $3.34 and then a further downfall also.